slick shit, man, that's all we do. Hold that little homie, let me talk my truth. Made an Instagram for my cat, and my cat doesn't even rap and got more followers than you. Hold up, let me get my cat a bar. She's filthy. Hey, Cameron, come here, baby. Now my cat's more famous than you ever will be. I'm at hustling. You can't tell me nothing. I'm rap hits like Big Cousin, but when you're drunk at the wedding, still gon' fuck. See me in the club. That's my cousin. Angelina, show me love. That's my cousin. You got me fucked up. That's my cousin. Like you don't know what's up. Bradley, he's Cuzzo. Angelinas, you got it, let me see it. My Angelinas, you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bruh. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bruh. Every white dude in America went to the barber shop. Give me the Macklemore haircut. They heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name, Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a pet suit. No can do, no, I don't work for free. I used to smoke that purple weed, sip a bunch of purple drink, and that shit did not work for me. And now I just sip herbal tea. I'm pissing at the swap meet in the road, eating church's wings. So cold, no emergencies. See me in the club. That's my cousin. Angelina, show me love. That's my cousin. You got me fucked up. That's my cousin. Like you don't know what's up. Brad Pitt. All my Angelinas, you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. Did it by myself, not a little bit of help. Nobody did nothing, I knelt. On my knees said, God, please give me a deal. And God texted me back. Don't be dumb, young man. Gotta do it yourself. It's up to you to turn the pen into a machete and make sure that every beat that you meet gets killed. I should have beat us like a pussy and I eat it up and pick it up and leave it up to you. Cannot compete with us. I'm in and out of traffic and I kinda like, wait, is that us on the radio? Wait, is that us on the radio? I always dreamed of when I had peach fuzz. Shout out to the homie D. Who's D? D's not. I mean, it's chicken wings and onion rings. If you wondering, yes, I does my thing. And another thing, no puppet strings of the company. We sucker free. I ain't tripping on what the public think. 10,000, we hustling. This shit didn't happen overnight. This shit didn't happen suddenly. In the club.
Like pink in your area. Like pink in your area.